In this video, I will be showing you how to create your own e-commerce website. So let's get started. Okay, so it's very easy to set or build your own store using this Shopify. So that's the reason why I want to promote this one because it's so easy. There's no coding here. If you want, then you can. But in order for you to create or set a store, with wonderful templates, then you can just simply try this Shopify right here. So to start, all you have to do is type Shopify and then click the start for free. Then you can see I'm just starting, then tap next. Now we have here, what do you plan to sell first? Let's just say you want to start dropshipping products. And then after that, you can now set up your Shopify store. So this is your Shopify account. And in order for you to set up a theme or, set up an online store, first you just have to go to themes. Shopify offers tons of themes here, and other themes are not for free. So you have to purchase, you have to upgrade your plan. So this time, we're going to choose Dawn theme here, which is for free. So all you have to do is to tap customize, tap this one right here in order for you to edit this theme. So first, as you can see, if you tap this gear icon, you can see options like logo, colors, typography. You can change the color of your background, change the color of your text, change the color of the button right here. So all you have to do is to select that color that you want and then tap save, of course. And then for typography, you can change or you can select the font right here. There are different fonts here. All you have to do is to tap, select, and then click save. Always remember, tap save to save changes. Okay, so there are other options. So all you have to do is to explore. So first, we're going to add a logo here. Okay, so to start, you just have to click this header here and then go to this theme settings on the right side, tap theme settings. And then after that, you have to add a logo for your Shopify store. Now, if you want to look for an editing tool that is for free, where you can add or you can create a logo, I highly suggest Canva. Here, I have created my logo for this Shopify store. So all you have to do is to open Canva, set or sign up here, and then look for logo. And then there are tons of templates for logo. Once done, click save. Then you can go back to your Shopify, then add this logo from your device, and then click done. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then the logo will appear right here above, and then tap save. So after the logo, we can now proceed with our banner here, which is very important. So all you have to do is to go to the right side. Tap this image banner, go to the right side. Okay. And then after that, you can now simply click this image right here, select image. And then again, if you want a fantastic image banner here on your Shopify, I also highly recommend Canva because Canva is a free editing tool. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if you start creating or designing using Canva. Okay, so here I have selected, for example, like home decor template. And then here I just change the name to my Shopify store's name, tabletop dining set or dining delights. Okay, and then tap share and then download this. Go back to my Shopify, click add images, and then edit it. Once done, click this done button here and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then that image will appear right here. This is what it looks like. If you want to change this, you just have to tap and then change that over here on the right side. That I just have to remain it that way. If you want to add another text, then you can just simply click this add button right here and then add section rather. And then change is something like you want to say something about your product or your store. Okay. Then after that, you can change bold, italic, everything is up to you. For the button shop all, I just have to remain it that way. Okay. So here it is, and then tap save. Now we're done with the logo and the header. Okay, so now let's move on to adding products. So you have your page already, homepage already. So how are we going to add products? You just have to go to your Shopify homepage, tap products right here, and then you can now simply click this add products at the top right corner, I guess. Okay. And then after that, you have to type the name of your product. I should say aesthetic dining set. Okay. And then for the description, you can generate a text here. Okay. Everything is up to you. You can also add the name of your store if you want. Now, if it's okay, then you can tap keep. Then you have your description right here. To add products, you just have to tap this add image, and then you can add pricing here, cost per item. Okay, you can also add shipping weight, and then you can edit the search engine listing. So you can add something like this. Okay, and then after that, all you have to do is just simply click save. Now you have added a product. So how about adding a collection? So next thing to do here is to simply click this collections. And if you want to add collection, all you have to do is to simply click this create collection right here. Add the title of your collection. Let's just say aesthetic dining set, or everything is up to you, whatever it is. Okay, and then add description right here. And then after you add a description, and then you can just simply add an image here. Now you have to choose the best image, of course, because that is the first image that your customer can see if they start looking or viewing your collection. So add image, and then after you have added your image right here, you can now click save. Okay, so you have added a product and you have added a collection. So this is what it looks like. So if you want to add pictures, images to your collection, you just have to tap this one here, and then below you can see your browse. So you have to browse the products that you want to add to your collection. So add this one right here, click add, browse again, and then look for the specific product that you want to add here. For example, on this one right here, and then click done. Then as you can see here, we have here sort or filter. So you can simply, select if you want your customer to see the best selling product, the highest price products, lowest price products, newest, everything is up to you. But I want to select best selling right here. Okay, so yeah, that's how you add product and collection. Now, to add featured collection to your store, all you have to do is simply go to your template. And then here, what you want to do is to add section. If you want to put it below your image banner. Okay, so all you have to do is to click this plus button, or you can go to the left side and then tap this add section right here. Click featured collection. And then here on the right side, you will see the featured collection. You can change this one if you want, change the heading, add description. Okay, everything is up to you, heading size. Now here you can tap the selection or select collection, and then yeah, locate the featured collection. Tap C. Now, if you want to add an image with text right here, like if you have your best product and you want your customer to see it, because you know that they will probably be encouraged to buy to your product, then all you have to do is to add section again, click image with text, add the image, add the product that is the best product from your store. Now you can change and add a title here, for example, a best of the best, and then below you can add description for your event or for your product right here. So yeah, you can just simply say that the best dining set for you, something like that. You can change the content, you can change the format, you can change the text style, but don't forget to tap save right here. Okay, so now you have added an image with a text, or let's just say your best product. So after that, what you want to do is to just simply add a collection list again. So in case that you have other products aside from dining set, if you want to promote other products and these products are under your collection, so you can let your customer see your collection list. collections that they can find on your store. Simply add section again and then go to the collection list. And then this time, what you want to do is simply tap this one, click select collection, tap that collection from your store, click this picture or image again, and then tap select collection. Okay. For example, you're selling bags too. Okay, select, tap this image again, and then after that, click select collection, and then you're selling shoes too. Okay, so this is just an example, and don't forget to tap save. Okay, so you have added your products, you have added your featured collection, your image with text, and your collection list. So that's how easy it is. So, how will people enjoy your store, or how will the customer view, or you want the customer to keep on viewing your product or repeat purchase, something like that. So the very first thing to do here is, of course, to provide them high quality photos. You must give them high quality photos. The second thing is that a call to action. So it's very important if you offer like discounts, or let's just say buy one take one or something like that. Anything that can entice, anything that can encourage them to buy to your store. So yes, we have discounts, we have 10% less or something like that. If you buy this, you will get this pair, something like that. Also, you can add page here to your Shopify store. And then if you have your website where you publish some of your products, then you can also add it here. Or if you want more explanation or description about your store or products, you can add page. Apart from images, you can also add videos here. Okay. So to entertain your customer, actually, you can paste your YouTube link here if you have a channel where people can watch more of your products, something about your store, more about your store's information. So all you have to do is to paste that URL here, or you can simply create your own video using Canva and import that video to your Shopify store. Okay, now let's go to navigation. So as you can see, if you want to add something on your Shopify store, not just a contact, not just a home, a search, if you want to add something, then you can go to main menu and add some menu item here. So all you have to do is to tap add menu item and then select from policies if you want to add terms of services. And then if you want to add other blog posts or something like that. So if you go to your Shopify store and refresh this one, after you add this menu to your menu item or main menu, then probably you can see it right here, or the customer can see other options aside from home catalog contact. They can see news terms of service. Okay, now if you want to add shipping and returns to your food menu, which is this part right here. Okay, what you want to do is simply tap this one. But before you add a shipping and return to your footer menu, you have to click pages right here, add page, and then you can add a title like shipping and returns. And then below here, you can add a description about your shipping and returns. You can generate a text here if you want, and then you can keep that, or you can create your own. So if you're okay with this, then you can keep, but you can create your own too. So this is the shipping and returns policy. Then once done, click save. And then that's it. Now go to your footer menu and then click add menu item here. And then click pages and then tap shipping and returns, which we have created earlier. Then after that, click add. Now, when you go back to your Shopify store and then scroll down, you have to look for footer menu. And then here under footer menu, what you're going to do is just simply click it. And then you can now add a block. Okay. Tap this one, add block, and then tap this menu right here. And as you can see here under quick links, they can see search and shipping and returns. Okay, tap save, and that's it. That's how you add something on your footer menu and also your main menu. Okay, so that's how easy it is to add some menus under navigation. Now let's go to your Shopify settings where you can add some payment methods, checkout, and so on. So first you have to go to markets. Okay, here you can add the region and country, specifically where you want to sell your product or where you want to promote your online store. Go to markets here. Okay, after that, if you tap this brand, you can add the logo of your store. And below here, as you can see, there is what we call social links. You can add your Facebook account, Twitter account, Pinterest account in order for you to promote your online store. If you tap this shipping and delivery, then you can add shipping and delivery information such as expected delivery dates and pickup and so on. Now, if you want to set up your payment method, then go to payments and you can see here tons of payment providers such as Stripe, MasterCard, Visa, and so on. You can also add your PayPal here, which is for me the easiest. You can also add manual payment method. Just have to add it manually. Now for checkout, it is highly recommended to leave it unchecked right here. Do not check this one so that it would be easier for your customer to simply check out. Lastly, we have here domains. So if you have your domain, you can connect your domain here. If you want to buy new domain, then you can tap this buy new domain right here. Okay. And other features, all you have to do is to explore. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create your own e-commerce website. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.